Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the fan replacement process for your HP all-in-one computer, ensure that you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. It's essential to work in a clean environment to prevent any dust from entering the internal components. First, power off your computer and unplug it from the wall outlet. Let it sit for a few minutes to ensure all internal components are discharged. Next, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. If you're unsure about handling this part, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, carefully pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips that hold the panel in place. With the panel removed, you'll have easy access to the internal components of your HP all-in-one. Locate the fan. It's usually positioned near the power supply. Before proceeding, check for any dust buildup around the fan area. Use compressed air to gently clean any dust that may have accumulated. This is important to ensure optimal performance for your new fan. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. After cleaning, disconnect the fan's power connector from the motherboard. This connector is typically a small clip that can be gently pulled out. Next, remove the screws securing the fan in place, again using your Phillips screwdriver. Be mindful of where each screw belongs, as they can vary in size. If you're unsure about the process, consider our quote before repair service to avoid any unexpected costs. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the fan from its position. Align the new fan in the same spot, ensuring it sits securely. Reattach the screws to hold the new fan in place, and reconnect the power connector to the motherboard. Make sure it clicks into place firmly. Now that the new fan is installed, it's time to reassemble your computer. Place the back panel back onto the device, making sure all clips are secure. Replace the screws you previously set aside to ensure the panel is tightly fastened. This step is crucial to maintaining the structural integrity of your computer. Before powering it back on, double-check that all internal connections are secure and that there are no loose screws left. If at any point you feel unsure about doing this yourself, remember we provide no calls, no travel service for your convenience. Finally, plug your computer back into the outlet and power it on. Watch for any unusual noises from the new fan. It should operate quietly and efficiently. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Your HP all-in-one should now be running cool and smoothly with the new fan installed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.